Welcome back, guys, to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we'd like to talk about Bitcoin Cash once again, how high we can pump. Let's dive in. Alright guys, I made 3 videos already about Bitcoin Cash. So the first one was around here. I made a big plan for Bitcoin Cash, and since this video we already pumped it from the bottom. Take a look here. We already pumped it 260%. So basically it's more than enough to withdraw at least initial deposit. And I would like to show you the main zone. So then I made a video here, and I marked the first resistance zone block will be on a weekly time frame. This one, it's first one. We got a 2 main monthly gap. So if you missed my 2 previous videos, I recommend you go and watch big plan. So this green block, it's like a support. This first one, it's a monthly time frame, I remind you. This one we already closed, so this gap is done, we can delete it. Second one is here. So this is the main targets for Bitcoin Cash. At least 50% of this gap. Now it's around 489. Of course, when I made a video here at 100, for example, it could be hard to believe, so we can pump so high. But market makers totally don't care what do you think about a coin or market, because a lot of people start screaming, oh, Bitcoin Cash is dead, Bitcoin Cash is laid down at the bottom. Because why? Because these people bought it here. Because these people jump in at a new all-time high in 17 at 4K. Then in 2021 at a new bull run, end of bull run, I mark it. We touch 0.23 LBFIP 1K500, and I mark it. It's not unnecessary, so we have to beat this high, even this high. Of course, I mark it, so would be good to see the healthy correction to these levels. 2K400, 2K800 for long run. Can we see these levels? Basically, yes. But the main crucial level for now, for 2023, 2024, beginning of 2024, it will be this block. So this green block is like a main support now. So don't be scary if we will see something like this one and then collapse it down to this area, at least 50%. So yes, keep in mind scenario. So we can drop around, or from this level we can see some drop like this one, or from 500 we can drop to 150, something like this one, 70%. Not now, but yes, it can happen, so we can see something like this one and collapse it down. It can be around beginning of next year, for example, so I would like to show you a few metrics also on the daily, on weekly time frame. Like you remember, we got major signal to buy. Here's a recommendation close position, pump, and at this 220, we got a signal to take profit from this buy. On weekly time frame, from this top, you could make a 100%. Done. So you can at least withdraw your initial deposit, just leave free coins. To everybody who jumped here on this candle at the bottom, here, I showed you take profit. Based on take profit, you can withdraw once again, or close 100% position, or withdraw at least initial deposit and just leave free coins. Because on the weekly time frame, we came in to take profit line. Here, take profit line was at 305. Exit line now at 343. After this move, it's more than enough for people to take profit from this asset, or at least withdraw initial deposit. Can we go higher? Yes, of course. We can go even out of take profit, like this one. Take profit, exit line, and we continue move up. That's why, like you can see the buy line on the daily, this last one, it's also dynamic. So we can see, or from this current price, we can drop to the buy line. This one now it's 116, or we can go in higher and then drop it down. So at this time, the buy line will be around 150. On the weekly time frame, the buy line now at 150. So yes, everything looks logic. This is how it works based on the market's mood. Like you can see, we are not so far from the top, or maybe we already hit the top, you know, because we're in extreme red color. So it's time to out of the market. Of course, in 2020, 2021, 2021, once again, we saw it. This one, this one, this one. So we can step by step in the 3 stages, fixed position. That's why we can see even something like this one. And in this area, it will be once again total extreme color in the market and collapse it down. Of course, totally different volume. But don't be so greedy. And if you miss it, Bitcoin Cash here, now no makes sense. Jump in because of risk reward. You know, on a monthly time frame, we came into blue mood on the market. That's why we can see continuation. And drop it down once again to, we will see the green zone, for example, then go back down. So this is how it works. And if you analyze on the weekly, you can see CryptoFly direction. No signal to close position. That's why it's one more sign why we can continue moving higher on the weekly time frame. Yes, it's hard to believe, but you can see after even 250% move, we still don't see signal to sell or something, and no signal to sell or close position on CryptoFly direction like it was here from accumulation. So just keep in mind this potential maximum target, what I can expect for Bitcoin Cash, 530. But at least now you can withdraw initial deposit, just leave free coins and ride with free money, you know. So guys, I hope you liked this video about Bitcoin Cash. Write please in comment what do you think about this current situation on the market. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.